Need to connect your SANSUI Smart TV with webOS to a new Wi-Fi network or switch from your current one? So here's how to change and connect to a new Wi-Fi network perfectly. So first you have to grab your remote and press the settings button. So from here, you can either select the network icon at the top of the screen or go to General, then Network. Now select Wi-Fi connections here and your TV will start scanning for available Wi-Fi networks nearby. So once the list appears, select your Wi-Fi network from the list and next enter your Wi-Fi password carefully and select Connect. So now you have to wait a few moments while the TV connects to the network, and that's it. Your SANSUI Smart TV is now connected to Wi-Fi perfectly. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for staying tuned with Fixes 9 till the end.